good. That's enough for me. Let's just get the fuck out. We're leaving right now. Oh my god. I don't know.
You stopped recording, right?
No. What was that? It sounded like I'm breathing. Like, it sounded like someone was... It kind of sounded more like someone was crying, but at the same time they were out of breath.
Is that little girl crying or something?
Yeah, it sounded like crying, but at the same time someone was out of breath.
Let's go into the wild.